What are you guys doing?
We're going camping on our own.
We're just going for a camp out at the top of the hill.
Yeah.
All right.
On Funny Guy Farm.
Hey, look,
We're going to take Old Blue up there instead of hiking because it's too far of a hike apparently. But we also brought a lot of stuff for a one-night camp at the top of the hill.
Let's see. Wow, that's a lot. Oh, and some on top of compost.
On top of compost.
Okay. Let's see what's you got going on in here.
Good work, son.
I think we're communicating pretty well right now.
Hey, Bob, say that.
Oh, you're so funny. Put your chainsaw sunglasses on. Here we go. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Here we go.
Here we go.
Drive to the top of the hill here for a little family camp out. Saturday night, first really nice days of spring. It'll probably be a little chilly up there today once the sun goes down, but we'll make a little fire and
It'll be all right.
It'll be all right.
Go slow.
Go slow.
Here we go. Bye, chickens. Watch the house for us.
I'm drinking a Spindrift actually. Okay, here we go. It's a little tricky here. We need new tires for this guy.
Yeah, it's a little slippery.
Yeah, it's just like...
Whoa.
You gotta really kind of push it.
Buzz hayride.
All right, here we are.
Welcome to the top of the property. Here we are.
That was a long drive.
About 4-minute hayride.
Would have been a longer hike, I guess.
And a lot sweatier and stinkier.
You're all pretty sweaty and stinky already. Okay, good work.
Is it a picture or video?
Maybe both. All right, you guys, help me unpack some of this insanely ridiculous stuff you all packed to bring up here. Come on out, you smelly feral children. Where's your shoes?
We don't call us that, you little
Where's your shoes?
When you're putting this away, you guys gotta zip up the sides, okay?
Okay, we gotta gather some small firewood, you guys.
Look at that big pile right now.
Can you get some for me?
You guys listening to Boss? Off your bottoms and go get small pieces of wood like Boss said.
Stuff like this or smaller, okay?
About this.
It's gonna take skill to get the fire started.
Girls, this is important. We all have to do little jobs to help get our campsite kind of set up and comfortable. Then that means later on we'll be able to enjoy it all together. Sound good?
Yeah. Hi, Mommy, look at me. Howie.
Put them down in here.
Hold on, Bobby.
Okay, get them all. Good job, Buzz.
You know what? I have many sticks. Can everybody help me with all these things?
You have many.
You have mini sticks?
Wow, you can do that. That's it.
Look at that. Got it?
Yeah. Oh. Fire. Wow.
Wow, hey Buzz. Okay, we gotta keep the fire in the fire pit, okay? Let me help you break this stick up, okay? Why don't you come over here, okay? Let's get some of these broken up. Okay, here's a rock for you, Finn.
Before we had these two, we used to take Brett's oldest daughter, Eleanor, camping all over the place, and she loved it. She was a great camper. Now these two love camping, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. I thought you guys were the ones that came up with this idea.
Yeah, weren't you the ones that wanted to go camping?
No, you want to.
I don't want to go camping. What are you talking about? I gotta sit at home and watch Outdoor Dad.
Show us how it's done.
If you want to do it, don't overthink it. The quicker you can get that cold beverage in your hand, the better. Sunny Buzz is having a sit and look at the tree timeout over here because she was not listening.
Amazing.
I'm gonna put you on a stump and tell you to stare at a tree if you're naughty.
You're like, okay. Ooh, what'd you make?
Let me see, Finn.
The flower
Let me see. Beautiful. You made a little bouquet for Mama.
We didn't take.
You eating some chips and doing some art?
And we got Didi.
Wow. We lost Ziggy.
Yeah.
Where's Ziggy?
Down at the house.
She stayed home.
Key to quiet campers: an activity and a snack. Okay, holler when you guys need more chips, okay?
Like, yeah!
Be like, Mom!
Chip a lot, chip a lot.
Mom and Ba are gonna have some adults happy hour over here. Pretty good, Ba.
What do you think?
Pretty good. You can maybe square it up a little bit more.
I like your touch angle.
I know you like the touch angle, though. That's what I was gonna say. Ba appreciates a non-straight, non-binary horizon line.
Nothing's horizontal.
Horizon line is, I guess, according to Ba.
We got some coals to cook on.
Pretty nice. So lucky to have this up here.
We really got to get some trees going along there.
Yeah, it's pretty brutal. Totally west facing. Everybody thinks camping with kids is so hard. And it is. It really is. There's an art to it. I mean, I think it's the patience part, which isn't always my best. I try to be really patient, but sometimes it's really hard. With two little kids. Gone to Death Valley twice. We've gone to Baja with our whole family in a truck. Gone all over the Oregon coast. We've gone all over California, in the desert and the beach. I feel like the secret is patience with kids, having lots of food and snacks. I feel like most of the time when they are having like their toughest moments is either because they're cold, they're tired, or they're hungry. And so a lot of times it's like just trying those three things in any order will just get you over whatever hurdle you're encountering with your kids. Right now they're drawing and being like totally quiet and on their own. Moments before, it was like meltdown city, and Buzz was on a timeout on a stump, and Finn was picking up wildflowers next to poison oak. You know, there was like, it was a little mayhem. And then I was like, okay, let's shift gears. Everyone's a little manic. Let's get the snacks out. Let's get the coloring.
Time for happy hour.
Yeah, let's get the coloring books and some crayons. You know, so I'd say it's just like observing when people are getting a little tired or hungry, and then just like shifting gears and trying to stay on ahead of that. There's an art to that, like staying ahead of the hangry, I think is like the key.
I don't know what kind of party that party-sized bag of chips was meant for, but those two kids have basically already eaten.
Yeah, they love salt and vinegar chips. That's like their camping happy place. When you are camping, just give me that bag of chips and like the Danish from the gas station or like the 7-Eleven, whatever. Sometimes you just got to keep them happy and like give them whatever they need to stay on the level, which goes for us too. Sometimes Ba is like, you know, up on one and it's like, oh, do you need to eat? Do you need a Snickers bar? Let's do it. And same goes for me too. Krabby Patty moment. Diva moment, and I need, you know, a thing of beef jerky or something. Go back on the level.
The sun is just setting. What's on the menu for tonight?
Pork chops and corn.
Pork chops and corn.
That's you want my shelf up?
Sounds pretty good.
And pee in the middle of the night is always the worst part about camping.
The poop.
Well, hopefully you don't have to poop in the middle of the night.
Bill.
There.
Okay,
your turn.
black coffee.
Flower.
Yeah.
Flower. Good one. Okay, Sunny, your turn.
Make a noise. You make a noise.
Horse.
No.
Are you a cow?
No.
Kitty cat.
No. It shouts with a fox. I told
Oh, a fox. Okay.
I told
All right, you go.
Buzz, where's your shoes?
She ditched him.
Well, my shoes.
Who's barefoot Buzz? You're a chicken. Are you a baby chick?
My turn. My turn.
What
Hey.
are you doing?
Ushishi.
Doing?
And
Hey, what's that cool sweatshirt you have on?
if I'm dumped,
What's it say? Is your name on there?
yeah. Shoo about him too.
There you go.
Mommy.
Now hold your-
Getting some coals so we can start doing some cooking. We got some pork chops and some corn on the cob. I'm probably gonna put the pork chops straight down on the grate over there. Hobo stove here. Pepper these steaks on the back of the truck here. You know, they're not steaks, I guess. They're pork chops.
And how are you going to cook it?
on the fire, on the coals, on the old barbecue grate that's sitting over there.
Bob dug this down. Corners are like this old planter we repurposed. And then the grate there in the corner is the old barbecue grate. Pork chops on the grate, and then I think we're gonna cook the corn here on the side. Oh, it's sizzling.
I don't know. Maybe Mommy?
Got some pork chops cooking here. Feels pretty warm there, right?
Uh-huh.
I'll just keep rotating
Turning them.
every couple of minutes.
Yeah, it's really hot.
Slow cooking it out. Pretty hot. I can feel this on my ankles. Ooh. No, 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 no.
Hot cookie, huh?
They're pretty good. Oh yeah, I think these are good. These guys are pretty small, I imagine.
Yeah, I would think so.
Roasted up here. Okay, let's just cut them and see. I'm sure they're done though.
It looks done to me.
Are you hungry?
Who's hungry?
Just was sitting here watching him cut it.
Buzz, you want some of this?
Yeah. My fatty.
Okay, here's some pork chop for
I
you.
love fatty.
It's there.
Perfect.
The hot, Sunny.
Fin like this right here. Good?
Mm-hmm.
Perfect?
Mm-hmm. It's poached.
Perfect?
All right, let's back up, girls.
Can I have some little chips?
Yeah.
Be on the side.
Okay?
Mm-hmm.
Look, there's that.
Beautiful.
Pretty good.
I know it's
Pretty spot on.
Good job, Bob.
Even on my toe.
All right. Give me a thumbs up. Was that good, Finn? All right.
Even
let's
on my
eat.
chickens.
Chickens?
This TJ, but the yellow, it's TJ the yellow dot.
Like a
You guys-
bacon, maybe? What's your favorite part of the pork chop?
There's a lot of fatty in it.
The fatty bits.
You like the fatty bits? Ziggy came to join us. Pretty good.
Steaming.
We had leftover corn from dinner that we didn't get around to eating.
Kids got too hangry, so we just had to do what was best, fastest.
Yeah, that's what I was saying. I should have filmed you guys. The kids ate a pork chop and an ear of corn and they just passed out
Well,
on
literally,
the bench.
Buzz, yeah, she like had corn on her face and she was like snoring. It took like every fiber of my being to like try to get them to go to the bathroom before they got in the tent.
Pretty good. So here we are eating corn. Top of the hill.
It was ready maybe 2 hours too late
The corn.
for them. I'm pretty sure Buzz ate a raw ear of corn, but she did it anyway.
Buzz don't care.
Because she's a savage. Buzz is in this phase right now. I don't know what it is, but she's heavy on the
Not listening.
fierceness. Yeah, and not listening and independent. Like, she's still sweet and super lovable and kind and, man, saucy.
Are you ready for the tent?
Yeah, but I kind of need to floss after this.
That was my corn.
Ziggy. Our tent is like a tin of sardines.
It's a 4-person tent.
The kids are like, heads are on the other end of us, so there is more room that way. They're all snuggled up down there.
I was trying to get Mom to make out with me, but she won't because Ziggy and I shared a cob of corn.
We cobbed each other. Straight cobbed.
Put up the camera.
We'll see you guys in the morning.
Night night.
All right.
Over a river, romancing, ocean of passion, climb up a mountain of desire. See if we can dig it in the eye. Our hair. One more step, we'll be falling from here to there.
You got
It's
some
a
sticks on the fire?
long way
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already. See you soon.
Yes, you like.
Sidewalks, no street lights, no signs. Let the fire and a hard light guide the way to keep us right on line. The road is rough and narrow, they can get you right to the top. We get this ball rolling straight and long.